the decimal 0.375 to the nearest thousand. Look, this column is called 10th column. This is 100th, this is 1000. So this decimal number already is rounded to the nearest thousandths. We have nothing to do. Let me explain. So for rounding, first identify the rounding digit. Rounding digit, you will get rounding digit to the thousands column. So this 5 is a rounding digit. Now find the test digit. Test digit will come after the rounding digit. So here there is no digit, means you have to consider 0. Since test digit is less than 5, so the rounding digit will remain unchanged and you need to delete this test digit. So you are done. So you are getting 0.375. So 0.375 is rounded to the nearest thousand is 0.375. We have nothing to do.